All right, welcome to Wisdom Audio, CEDIA 2024. We're going to talk a little bit about minimal appearance. You guys love the new lighting. They got the 3-inch and 4-inch tiny little fixtures up at the ceiling. Well, how are you going to match that with a big 6-inch or 8-inch driver that you got to stick up in the ceiling that looks ugly, right? So our solution, we've got a product called the iCS3, the SUB1. This is what we call a minimal appearance. So literally what you would see in your ceiling is this. Everything else would be hidden behind the ceiling, and we can match 3 4-inch round or square grills and give you a fantastic look up in your ceiling that matches your lighting design so that you don't have to worry about having some ugly contraption hidden up in that ceiling. The other benefit, of course, is because it's Wisdom Audio, it's going to sound great. We use a planar magnetic driver, which is a very high performance, it's a very thin film driver. It's about the thickness of a piece of tin foil. That thing plays 5 octaves, so it plays a very large range of information. And because it's mounted right at the surface of the ceiling, we have 75 degrees off-axis performance. Unlike other people's products that only have about 15 to 20 degrees off-axis, you need a lot more coverage and a lot more speakers in your ceiling to get the same coverage area in the room. Another great part about our product is it requires no DSP. All you need to have is a crossover for your high pass and a crossover for your subwoofer, and that will allow you to have great sound. You can use any amplifier with it. We, of course, make perfect DSP matched amplifiers for our speakers. The other benefit is we use an actual real subwoofer, so instead of trying to cram all that energy through a little tiny hole, we have an 8.5-inch subwoofer that also mounts in the ceiling. Same mounting system up front, so all the grills look the same, and gives you really good low frequency extension, so you have great bass, great high fidelity everywhere in the room. Another thing that we're showing this year is custom wood grills. Wisdom Audio does all of our own woodworking. We build our cabinets in-house. So now we're starting to make custom wood grills. So if you need to match up to a ceiling, if you've got tongue and groove or a really nice wooden ceiling, we can custom cut any style or design that you want to have, again, to match the fixtures and keep your interior designer happy. Just remember, wisdomaudio.com, and it's never too late to calibrate.